When I do the strokes here, they are strokes. They are not, I'm not drawing, I'm not doing a straight line. I'm pressing down. As you can see, that's thicker there than it is there. That's calligraphy, and that's what makes the brush dance. So now I'm going to give it a shoulder. So we've got the egg here, and we've got the circle for the head there. I really don't need much more happening here. I can just add feet. And again, you see how my brush is dancing while I'm doing this? Clearly we've got some kind of thing for the bird to be sitting on here. So the tail could come down here. It's obviously going to go off the paper if I do that, or perhaps it's sitting slightly at an angle, and we can have its tail coming off here. Just rinsing my brush a little so that I'm a lighter black now. So then I'm going to go back onto the branch here and give it a little bit more definition. That's really all you need. Here's some rather desiccated brown. I'm going to add a little bit of water to it in the hopes that it'll soften up a bit. It's softening up. So I can add a little bit of color to the branch. You don't need to be too careful with this. The minute you become careful, you lose the spontaneity. A little bit color on the beak here. And you can use the same color, or you can go to an orange or a green even for the eye. Now that's still going to be wet, so I don't want to put too much on, because I don't want it to smudge. If I want, I can just put a little bit of color on the branches here. Just adds a little bit more interest. Okay, it's done.